Hey, what's up, guys? Meteorologist Doug Hetty. It is Friday afternoon. I hope your week has been great. We got a little bit of sunshine today, something we haven't seen much of really for about a week or so. I've been working a ton, six day weeks or so for the past 5 or 6 weeks. So I'm taking a lot of time off. I'm going to work a couple days for the next few weeks. So like 2 days next week, 2 days the following week. But I'll always do weather savants videos as well. So yeah, we're always going to cover things. All right, first off, I want to give a huge shout out to my guys, Superior Roofing and Contracting. You can see the little banner there on the screen. They're a four-state premier roofing contractor, family owned. They're located 7th and High in Joplin. Give them a call. Number is right there on your screen. All right, so we got more rain, showers, thunderstorms rolling in tonight. We got a storm system next week, so we're going to cover that as well and answer weather question. All right, so let's dig into it. You can see right now we look pretty good, but we do have rain which is developing out across the panhandles of Oklahoma and Texas. And this is really going to explode as we go through the next several hours and then head right toward Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Joplin, the four-state area, eventually up towards St. Louis as we go through the overnight hours tonight. All right, weather question. What is thunder snow? So thunder snow is actually a thunderstorm when it's snowing. So we have enough convective or enough energy to get thunder and lightning, but it's actually snowing. We get thunder sleet a lot or thunder freezing rain, but usually around the Central Plains or the four-state area, it is common to have thunder snow or thunder sleet or freezing rain about every other year. Depends on the pattern. I do think we have a chance to see it this winter because I do think we have a couple strong storm systems that will affect us in the winter months. So that is something that I'll be interested to see. All right, let's move to mid to late evening. I guess late evening, 10:30. Temperatures, Salina, Kansas City into the 30s, most of the four-state area into low to mid 40s. Look at the rain increasing just south of Wichita. Wichita is really, you guys are just in a bad spot with this pattern. Everything is going to be just south and just east of you. But look at the showers, thunderstorms developing from Tulsa, Bartlesville, Independence, north of Oklahoma City, and then watch how they explode through the overnight hours. And some of these could be a little bit stronger, especially along and south of the I-44 corridor. So Joplin, Monette, Bentonville, Veneta, Grand Lake. You guys may have a few stronger storms, not looking at anything really severe tonight, but some heavy amounts of rain. Temperatures just a little bit too cool to get severe weather, but we could get some thunderstorms as we go through the overnight hours. You can see here's 4 a.m. These extend back just north of Tulsa to Oklahoma City, and then all this rain shifts east as we go through the morning hours, and then you can see it starts to clear out Kansas City to Wichita. Rainfall amounts for most of the four-state areas, a quarter to a half an inch, and then once you get to Joplin south toward Bentonville, half an inch upwards to an inch of rain, which, hey, we definitely need. We need the rain across the region, continue to put those dents into the drought. All right, let's continue. Saturday evening, I think, looks fine. We get up into lower 50s. We clear out Saturday night, and then Sunday morning, you can see what looks like clouds. Well, it is clouds. It's fog that kind of builds in, and then the fog will burn off, and then we have mostly sunny skies. Sunday is actually going to turn out to be a pretty good day. All right, here's our next storm system we got to keep our eyes on. Clouds increase Monday. Monday should be dry, but here come showers. Here come thunderstorms developing across central and western Kansas down through Oklahoma as we get into Monday night. Some of those could be stronger. It doesn't really look like severe, but showers and thunderstorms across central, western Oklahoma, Wichita. Finally, you get into the action with this storm system. Let's go into Tuesday morning. Rain presses east, so I think Kansas City, Joplin, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, you will get some scattered showers and thunderstorms early Tuesday morning. But the cold front, it's way back here, western Kansas, western parts of Oklahoma, and the timing is crucial. How fast is this front going to move east? So here's 10:30 in the morning, showers and thunderstorms still, Kansas City, Wichita, Joplin, northwest Arkansas, Springfield. As we get into Tuesday afternoon, this is when we could start to see a severe threat. At the current timing, it looks like the greater severe threat Tuesday afternoon would be from Springfield through northwest Arkansas, extreme southeastern Oklahoma into northeastern parts of Texas. Severe threat, this mainly looks like wind and hail event. It doesn't look like a huge event, but something we want to watch. So I think the bigger severe threat is going to be just east of Joplin and south, unless if this storm system slows down. All right, this presses east. So once we get into Wednesday, the bigger severe threat is going to be Tennessee, Mississippi, northern parts of Alabama, and the eastern parts of Louisiana. Look at the snow across the northern plains. So by Wednesday, we really start to cool down across the region. Let's go. Let's look a little long range. Okay, this is temperatures about 15,000 feet, and I want to show you the Arctic air that tries to build as we go through the next several weeks. So where you see the blues, this is pretty cold temperature. So we're looking at late next week into, now we're heading into the week before Christmas. You can see just cold air across Central Plains and then a massive Arctic blast right around Christmas. Let's go to precip. And again, this is, we're looking at the GFS model, and it is not correct. It just gives you an idea, but none of these model runs are correct. I always have to deal with people posting a map that it's 2 weeks out and says, look at this huge snow that, I don't know, Nebraska is going to get, and it's just a model run, and it doesn't mean it's going to happen. It just kind of gives you an idea. All right, so the rain tonight, storm system Tuesday into Wednesday, cold air in place. Here's the next system I'm really keeping my eyes on, is kind of heading into next weekend, Saturday, Sunday, into that Monday and Tuesday. This does fit my pattern, so we should get a storm system that gives us rain, possibly over to snow. And then there's another one that comes in right before we get to Christmas, right around Christmas. So there's a lot to watch. So I'm getting kind of excited. I want to see a little bit of Arctic air, because the colder the air mass, the better chance we have for snow. All right, guys, make sure you like, follow, subscribe, smash that little bell. Any questions, comments you have, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Hope you have a great Friday afternoon, and of course, a great weekend, and we will chat soon.